AirCare adventures, we're keeping it clean. From the ducts to the vents, make the air for serene. Got Vacu-Man power, we the cleaning machines. Tune in.
Hey everyone, welcome. It's Adam Oldfield. I am the president of Vacu-Man Furnace and Duct Cleaning, and with me is Echo the AI and another episode of AirCare Adventures. Echo, how are you today?
Hi Adam, I'm doing great. Excited to be here and chat about all things AirCare. What's our focus for today's episode?
Well, today we're going to talk about 45 years Vacu-Man has been in business. It was my father that started the company back August 27th, 1980. Can you believe that, Echo?
45 years is amazing, Adam. It must be incredible to see how your father's legacy has grown and thrived over the decades. I bet a lot has changed in the world of furnace and duct cleaning since 1980.
Well, first of all, yes. I started back when child labor was legal. Let me just start with that. Can't do that today. But one of the big things that I find interesting is back when I was working with my dad as a child, we used to do a lot of oil furnaces, which not too many these days.
Times sure have changed. It's interesting how the shift away from oil furnaces has not only changed your work, but also reflects broader trends in energy use and efficiency. What else do you recall being different about the business back then?
Well, you know, my father and I used to drive around with flyers, obviously, when we weren't cleaning air duct systems. And one of the other things I find that was a big common situation was that our truck was a lot older. It was a 1979 Chevy, and on it had a big vacuum on it. Now, attaching and running the trucks back then, man, it was quite the work. I remember nights where my father had to climb under the truck just to make sure it was working properly for the next day.
It sounds like there were definitely some hands-on challenges keeping those older trucks running smoothly. It's a testament to your father's dedication and resourcefulness. With all that hard work and some creative problem solving, it's no wonder your family business has thrived for so long. Anything else from those early days that stands out as especially memorable or that shaped how you approach the business today?
Well, one of the things I find is that homes are much more efficient, and a lot of the furnaces today are obviously running as a forced air system. We also now have heat pumps, which also were actually used back in the day, but not as efficient as today. So we're seeing a lot of the changes pertaining to the types of systems that exist, and today we can see that they're much more energy efficient, and when they're cleaned, they actually save you a lot more energy as well.
It's impressive how far technology has come, making homes more efficient and environmentally friendly. It must feel good to know that your work not only improves air quality, but also helps people save energy and money. It's a win-win.
No, I think that pretty much covers it all, but if you are looking for furnace, duct cleaning, or dryer vent cleaning, call Vacu-Man Furnace and Duct Cleaning.
Thanks for having me, Adam. It was great to hear about your family's journey and how Vacu-Man has evolved. Here's to many more years of successful AirCare adventures. Take care.
We're keeping it clean. From the ducts to the vents, make the air for serene. Got Vacu-Man power, we the cleaning machines. Tune in, breathe deep, feel the fresh in the scene.